Which platform will make you rich? Online betting and gaming platforms are booming in 2026, and two names that keep showing up in conversations are 1xBet and 888stars. Both promise wide markets, big odds, live betting, and crypto support, and both come with flashy claims about big wins. It's easy to see marketing that highlights jackpot stories and huge payouts, but the real question is, which one of these platforms is more likely to make you rich? Let's break down the key differences so you can decide where your money and your time are best spent. First, let's look at 1xBet. This platform has been around for a long time and is known for its massive list of betting options. You can bet on a huge variety of sports, football, basketball, esports, even niche markets like darts or table tennis, all with competitive odds. Beyond sports, 1xBet offers casino games, virtual events, crash games, and a live casino section with dealers streaming in real time. Its global presence means it supports dozens of payment methods, including credit cards, e-wallets, and several cryptocurrencies. One of 1xBet's strengths is sheer volume. There are tons of markets and betting opportunities available at nearly any hour, with dynamic odds that change constantly. If you're someone who likes variety and constant choices, 1xBet delivers that experience. It also runs frequent promotions and loyalty bonuses, which can make the platform feel rewarding, especially for casual players. On the opposite side, there's 888stars. This platform also offers sports betting and casino games, but its user base and market depth tend to be smaller compared to 1xBet. 888stars positions itself with a strong focus on crypto integration, quick payouts, and a simplified user interface that appeals to bettors who want a more straightforward, less cluttered experience. It doesn't have as many markets or as wide a variety of betting categories as 1xBet, but what it does, it tends to do smoothly and efficiently. When comparing potential for earning money, whether one makes you rich depends on several factors: odds offered, your betting strategy, market selection, and most importantly, risk management. No platform can guarantee wealth, and anyone who tells you otherwise is overselling the experience. Betting and gambling inherently involve risk. The house always has an edge, and every bet is a chance to lose as much as win. For example, 1xBet's massive range of markets means you might find higher odds here or there, but high odds often come with higher risk. Casual bettors drawn to those odds may experience rapid swings in balance. With 888stars, the markets may be less extensive, but some users appreciate that there are fewer overwhelming choices and a more focused experience. Knowing when to stop and managing your bankroll responsibly is far more important than which platform you choose. Another factor to weigh is regulation and safety. 1xBet operates in many jurisdictions, but has had a complicated regulatory history in some regions, which means access, legality, and protections may vary depending on where you live. 888stars, likewise, operates in specific markets under its own licensing framework. Always check local laws before betting, because what's available in one country may be restricted or illegal in another. Third consideration is withdrawing your funds. Some users report smooth, fast cash outs on both platforms, especially when using crypto. Others note delays or additional verification steps that can slow things down. This is fairly typical across online betting platforms, but it's another reminder that even if you win, accessing that money can sometimes take time and patience. So let's get back to the core. Question: which platform will make you rich in 2026? The honest reality is this: neither platform is a guaranteed path to wealth. If you go into either platform with a get-rich-quick mindset, you're approaching it from the wrong angle. Betting should be considered entertainment, not an investment strategy. The odds are always designed to favor the house over time. And even the best bettors in the world don't make consistent profits without deep strategy, discipline, and risk management. Between the two, 1xBet offers more markets, more betting variety, and a larger global presence. If you enjoy choice and exploring niche markets, it may be more engaging, but that doesn't automatically translate to profits. 888stars offers a more streamlined, simpler experience with strong crypto support and fewer distractions, which may help some bettors stick to a clear strategy rather than chase every possible market. If you want to grow wealth in a sustainable way in 2026, Traditional financial planning, savings, investing in diversified assets, or building a business generally offer more predictable long-term results than betting platforms of any kind. If this comparison helped you understand the differences between 1xBet and 888stars, leave a like, subscribe for more honest breakdowns, and tell me in the comments what matters most to you in picking a betting platform. Remember to gamble responsibly and always be aware of the risks involved.